Hi YouTube. I want to cover this song called Deleter by Group Love, and it's a fun song. It's a catchy song. I watched them do a live version of it, so I have a pretty good idea of what's going on. What's going on? One thing though is that they're using their guitar is tuned in E flat. So what you have to do if you want to play along with the recording is take your E string, go down 1/2 step to E flat. Your A string will go to A flat. Your D string will go to the D flat. 1/2 step down, all the way. Your G will go to F sharp. Your B will go to B flat, and your E again will go down to E flat. All right, so I'm just going to play it in standard tuning, and thought you were a leader, you're just a deleter. La 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 la. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So essentially what they're playing is E. I think it starts out on A. Going to E. It's a good song to sing because it's not too difficult to play. It's a good song to do on acoustic guitar. Now, they have two keyboards playing. They got one, piano player, and they have someone on the synthesizer, and also that. The song relies a lot on vocal harmonies. There's two singers that are singing a lot of it. So a lot of what you hear, you think is chord movement. It's actually harmony on the vocals. The rhythm is very bare bones. This is, I don't usually do this, but since there's so little to talk about on this song, I'm going to go over the rhythm. This is kind of the rhythm. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down on the E. Down, up, down, 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 up, down. All right, and if you're going to play these kind of rhythms, you're going to kind of have to do a little palm muting. I'm exaggerating it so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm doing. All right, so that's it. If you want to play along with the recording, tune down 1/2 step to E flat, and it's all E to A. It's a great song, great pop song to sing and perform because you don't have to think about the guitar too much. So thanks for watching and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps keep the man off my back. All right, bye bye.